Hi, my name is Antti Lehmuskoski and I come from the Nordic Ecolabel, the Swan label. The motto or a slogan of the Nordic Ecolabel is "Save the world a bit every day." And that is the reason why the Swan label exists. It gives you a good advice how to make good decisions and good purchases for the environment. Green Star Hotel in Joensuu in eastern Finland is a Swan labeled hotel. We are very pleased that the hotel has been eco-labeled for, well, soon 10 years. And what is actually, must say, astonishing in this hotel is that it is very, very energy efficient. There are only few hotels that consumes as less energy in Finland. And when you visit Green Star Hotel, we can guarantee that you are making a good decision for the environment.